Shaquille O'Neal just sold his mega mansion in Florida. If you owned it, you would never have sold that beautiful mansion because it is as perfect as can be. The mansion is nothing like any of the regular mansions you may have seen before. So why did Shaquille O'Neal sell the mansion? And what makes his mega mansion so unique and popular? Let's find out. Here's some shocking news. Shaquille earned a profit of over $7 million for selling the mansion, and that is one of the possible reasons he sold the most beautiful home in all of Florida. An astonishing feature of the house is its indoor basketball court, which has added so much value to the mansion. But the most luxurious features of the home are coming up next in our video, so stay tuned. Hello and welcome to our channel, The Wealthy Few. In today's video, we are going to give you a look inside Shaquille O'Neal's $11 million Florida mega mansion that he just sold. So make sure to watch the video to the end to find out more. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos about the richest people in the world. $11 million is the highest price ever recorded for a single-family home in all of Florida. The mansion is a Mediterranean-style mansion which covers a total area of 4 acres. The retired NBA star and businessman Shaquille O'Neal purchased this magnificent mansion in 1993. At the time, he bought it for just $4 million. Now it's worth more than $11 million. The estate has become one of the many homes in his extensive collection around the United States. Shaquille owns many other homes and it looks like he just loves all of his mansions. Talking about the interior and structure of the mega mansion, the house consists of 12 bedrooms, including a master wing. The guest wing is also unique as it has its own bar inside, plus there are 15 bathrooms which are designed with the finest marble. Now, let's get to the most amazing features of the home. Outside the mansion, you'll find a 95-foot long and 15-foot deep swimming pool with a custom rock waterfall. There is also a summer kitchen nearby. The buyer of the home is not going to regret buying this ultra-luxurious estate. Is it true that this $11 million mansion is listed among the most beautiful homes on earth? You're about to find out why the house has gained so much attention. We are also sharing the most wonderful features of the house, so make sure you watch until the end to find out more and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos. One of the most attractive and extraordinary features of the house is its gentleman's room, which comes with game tables, a wet bar, and a wine refrigerator. There is also a grand room, which is a 2-story room with glass walls. Doesn't that sound amazing? There is an additional room called the aquarium-style room. The most unique feature of this room is that it consists of a saltwater fish tank, which is worth thousands of dollars. The aquarium room also contains a temperature-controlled cedar-planked humidor and wine storage. Shaquille couldn't find the perfect buyers to sell his house to, so he handed over the job to an agent. The 5th agent that he hired successfully sold the house for the perfect price. Over the past few years, 4 other agents tried and failed to sell this extraordinary estate. I was lucky number 5, Hillman said in a statement. He further said, "Shaq trusted me to find him a buyer, and I assured him I was the agent to do it. I seek out complicated deals and work to make them happen." So, Shaquille O'Neal sold his mansion due to the very high price the buyer was willing to pay for the house. Otherwise, he wouldn't have sold this amazing beauty. Shaquille's other mansions are also some of the best mansions located in the US. That's all for today, guys. What do you think about Shaquille O'Neal's $11 million Florida mansion that he just sold? Let us know in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed the video. We will be back soon with more amazing content, so stay tuned and don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our latest updates. Thanks for watching.